Things first, appreciate your support. I'm back this time with the Hisense washer. It's now a common brand, new in the market. So let's say it's taking time to draining slowly, or it won't drain water completely. So this is how you open the filter. So before I proceed, kindly like, subscribe, and share. So if you try to flip it and the cover doesn't come out, you'll need a pliers. If you don't have a pliers, you'll need a flat screwdriver. So once you flip it, the cover, what you do is open the filter. Use a torch, check in there if there's something that needs to be removed. So if you're lucky enough, let's say it's a socks, a coin, it will come out through that filter. So clean and then you plug it back. Before you plug it back, just ensure to avoid rusting, clean the area, clean the floor. Just make sure it's dry, then you close it back. You know, if you close it this way, you see there's still water there. So the adjustable legs, the frame can easily rust. So just make sure you dry it and then you fit it back. So simple. If the filter is hard to remove, it's stuck, you'll have to use a pliers. But don't force it. If it's stuck, I'll be showing you how to remove it, because you'll force it to open and then you'll break it. We have had instances where the filter is broken, so you have to replace the filter. The machine won't wash without the filter, so the filter has to be there because that hole has to be covered. So I repeat, you see, if you're trying to pull it out, hand pulling might be a challenge, so you need a pliers. So let's say it's blocked completely or the filter won't come out. Do this, remove it from power, remove the water, the inlet pipe, then flip the machine so that you can access the bottom part of the washing machine. So we want to remove the whole drainage filter if it's completely blocked and can't come out. So this is what you do. There are two screws here, then we have other two at the top. We're talking about the filter area. So once you remove the four screws, you can easily pull out the drain casing. Just keep the screws safe because you lay them back. Again, when you're trying to unblock the machine, make sure you have the right drainage, because there could be a lot of water in the drum, so the place might be messy. So just ensure, if you can't remove all the water, get something better towel that can absorb this. So once you remove the four screws, this is the drain casing. So once you are here, it's easy. So you see, check in there, that's the pump. I can see the filter, so the filter is clear. So the pump is clear. So if the propeller is clear and still the machine won't drain water, meaning something is stuck, either the outlet hose that pumps water out, or the main hose. The main hose is the hose from the drum, the black hose that connects the drum and the drain casing. So you remove this clamp here. So what you need to do is to check in there if there's something. By just touching it, you'll feel if it's blocked, there's something in there, it will be easy to detect. So let's say there's a socks that passed through the drum and then comes here. The machine won't drain water. So like this is a spontex, completely blocked, so it won't be able to drain water. So that's easy. So once you do this, just clean it. Then if you're not, well, let me insist on this, if you're not sure what you're doing when you're opening the machine, just take photos, take videos, so that when you're plugging it back, it will be easier for you. So the same procedure you used to open, use the same procedure to plug everything back. Once that is done, you're good to go. So just check, maybe there are coins that are still hanging there. We're talking about buttons. Check, ensure everything is okay, because that space there is where coins pass. So just check the drum, ensure there is nothing in there. Use a clean piece of cloth, a towel, wipe the rubber gasket, and then plug it back. Simple as that. So it's easy to unblock and clean the Hisense washing machine. You see here, it's quite dirty here. So we advise at least do this after every wash. When you do this, the rubber won't get mold. When you do this, it leaves the machine with a good smell, smelling nice. If you don't do this, mold, we're talking about bad smell. So ensure you clean this after every wash, then leave the door open. Simple.